Did you figure this out by sitting in a supermarket?
Yeah. In front of Kirana store. So Lifebuoy, Dettol, they were big. They were doing only hand wash. They stopped advertising. So I was like, they are advertising liquids. So I was like, okay, that's interesting. And people were buying. And people were spending less time while choosing their liquids than soaps. लोग कम time लगाते हैं, लोग ज्यादा पैसे दे रहे हैं और ad भी ज्यादा हो रही है. I saw that and उस time पे my framework was why dishwash gel I chose. There was hand wash में बहुत सारे options थे. Dishwash gel में सिर्फ दो ही. There were only two, women print. So because there were two products, there's an opportunity. Because there are two products I can do and they both were very distinctively colored, green and yellow. So I was like two different products. Yellow में भी opportunity, green में भी opportunity.